interact with each other in videos or books, graphic novels. You may show them movies with puppies in it, and different ways that the word puppy is used in different contexts, whether it's with family or with other people, other products, other puppy food. So you do want to show them how the word puppy is used in different ways. That way they can grasp how they can use it in sentences and in their everyday social life and vocabulary. So further, ELs can use visuals to show spatial intelligence and demonstrate to help them make sense of the English language they see in the text they use in school. The sounds and visuals they hear and see help them build vocabulary knowledge in multiple ways. So according to Mudcore 2009, spatial intelligence is a mental ability for understanding and interpreting abstract objects or images that have positions relative to one another. So if you show them, videos and sounds of how puppies sound, barking, you can show them clips of movies with puppies in them and how they interact with each other. So it's important to read aloud to multilingual learners and then to stop as you're reading and to kind of demonstrate how these words that you're trying to teach them are used within the sentence, using multimedia, video,